Navigating from the home screen, the Integrated Business Planning leader, the facilitator of the Integrated Reconciliation process, can go to the Integrated Reconciliation home screen, which provides an up-to-date view of the current IBP cycle and outstanding integrated reconciliation issues. Based on materiality limits that leadership define, and you can set in the Oliver Wight IBP Powered by Board software, material issues can be flagged as soon as they arise across the process. This allows more time for scenarios to be created, modelled, and used to establish action or contingency plans. Oliver Wight IBP Powered by Board enables the IBP leader and their integrated reconciliation team colleagues to model and understand the impact of scenarios across the portfolio, demand, supply, and financial plans. The outcomes of these scenarios can then be captured in issue decision templates that enable timely decision making. The impact of multiple scenarios can be simply visualized to assist understanding. In this example, the financial impact of a scenario aimed at balancing product introduction critical resources has been modelled and compared to support a recommendation for decision. A key focus of the integrated reconciliation process is to filter out the interesting information arising from the current IBP cycle to ensure that the important information is presented to the leadership team in the management business review. Vulnerabilities and opportunities are no exception, and Oliver Wight IBP Powered by Board allows the IBP leader to simply collate the vulnerabilities and opportunities above a preset value from the portfolio review, demand review, and supply review, and to highlight any gaps in action plans to mitigate or exploit. The current live list of integrated reconciliation issues and escalations, whether concerned with realigning misaligned operational plans between portfolio review, demand review, and/or supply review, or closing gaps to committed plans, budget or strategy, can be seen at any time by the IBP leader and integrated reconciliation facilitator team. This serves to keep the key issues in their action plans for resolution visible and front of mind. Board's chat function can also be used for communication between the integrated reconciliation team and to capture conversation threads, replacing lengthy email chains. The IBP leader can create the Management Business Review pre-read and presentation decks from within the Board software to support the Management Business Review agenda. This includes the Management Business Review level key performance indicators with root cause analysis and corrective action where performance is outside of target tolerance, and the latest family or sub-aggregation plans, along with the aggregated whole of business view. These views highlight key changes since last cycle, including financial impact, decisions taken, and recommendations for decisions required, including timing. These can all be curated using views from the preceding IBP steps and the integrated reconciliation process. The Management Business Review Action Register is kept within the Oliver Wight IBP Powered by Board software, and updates by action owners made visible to those who require them. The Integrated Reconciliation team can check on status as part of the preparation for Management Business Review, ensuring that owners of actions that are off track have addressed this prior to the Management Business Review meeting with the Management Business Review chairperson, reducing the conversation time required in the Management Business Review meeting itself. The output from the integrated reconciliation process and reconciliation review meeting is the input to the Management Business Review. Oliver Wight IBP Powered by Board simplifies the process of telling the story about what has changed this IBP cycle, the impact of the change, decisions taken as a result, decisions required, and when. The resulting whole of business plan, the family views, the key issues, scenarios, vulnerabilities and opportunities, along with financial projections, come from Oliver Wight IBP Powered by Board, creating a single source of the truth. Process critiques, an essential element of maintaining and improving IBP process performance, can be conducted within Oliver Wight IBP Powered by Board. Standard critiques can be edited as focus shifts along with organisational and process maturity. Improvement actions can be assigned and linked from critique template to the review action register.